Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to incorporate mindfulness and relaxation into your daily routine? If so, you're in the right spot. Today, we're exploring some of the best meditation apps available for Android that can help you calm your mind, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, these apps offer a wide range of features to enhance your meditation experience. Let's dive in and discover the perfect tools for your meditation journey. Sattva Meditation. Sattva Meditation is a well-rounded app designed to enhance your meditation experience through ancient Eastern practices. The app features a variety of guided meditations led by experienced teachers, along with soothing music and sounds designed to help deepen your practice. Users can access different meditation techniques, including mindfulness, breathwork, and mantra meditation. The app also allows you to track your progress, set reminders, and explore various categories tailored to different goals, like stress relief or sleep improvement. With its user-friendly interface and rich content, Sattva Meditation makes meditation accessible for both beginners and experienced practitioners. Lojong Meditation. Lojong Meditation focuses on the practice of Lojong, a Tibetan Buddhist mind training technique. This app guides users through various meditative practices aimed at cultivating compassion and mindfulness. Lojong Meditation offers a series of guided sessions, each incorporating specific slogans and teachings that help deepen your understanding of compassion and self-awareness. Users can explore different themes and practices, making it a great tool for personal growth and emotional well-being. The app also provides reminders and customizable settings, allowing users to create a meditation routine that fits their lifestyle. Meditation app. The Meditation app is a versatile meditation resource that caters to a wide audience. Featuring a broad selection of guided meditations, breathing exercises, and mindfulness sessions, this app allows users to choose from different durations and styles to suit their preferences. From stress relief to focused attention, the app covers various topics and goals to help users find balance and calm in their daily lives. Additionally, the meditation app includes relaxation music and nature sounds that can enhance the meditation experience. With its straightforward interface, it's easy for users of all levels to find and engage in their ideal meditation practice. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this overview of the best meditation apps inspires you to start or deepen your meditation practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips and app recommendations. Which app caught your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy meditating.